Hi, welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you about this Google WaveNet, which is Google's text-to-speech by Google Cloud Platform. So first of all, we have to Google for Google Cloud Platform, and we have to log in to our Google Cloud Platform using our own Google account. And there's even a free trial, for Google Cloud Platform for 365 days or 12 months. But it appears that this API for Google Text-to-Speech is not included. I believe so. Yeah, I have to check again on that. But it applies to other, like the cloud servers, which is the cloud instances. So yeah, so once we're inside this Google Cloud Platform, we have to head over to the API. So we have to search for the API, which is the text-to-speech API. So, or we can just search it on the search bar, which is text-to-speech. Just type it, and we can access the API. So it's cloud text-to-speech, not speech-to-text. That's another feature. So we have to enable the API first before we can start using it alongside with a Chrome extension, a Chrome browser extension. Okay, so now we've activated the API. So we have to click over to our API, and we have to head over to the credentials section to get the API key. Okay, so let's create an API key, and we can even restrict the key if there's someone else who's accessing this Google Cloud Platform account, this GCP account. Otherwise, you could just leave it as default, because if you are the only one who will be accessing the account, so no one else is going to access the account. Okay, so let's copy that. You can always, of course, restrict the key if you want to, and just go through all these restrictions, and yeah, just set according to your own requirement or condition. And let's get back to the credentials page. Okay, let's copy this, and let's head over to the Chrome Web Store. Just Google for Chrome Web Store, and okay, let's start over again. So search for WaveNet. This is a free extension, a free Chrome extension developed by Michael Poirier. Yeah, so just click on it, and we could just install it, because I've actually installed it, so I can see the remove from Chrome button over here instead of installing. And back to the extension. Yeah, because this is the only extension on the Chrome Web Store which is free of charge, and we can even download it into MP3 file or a WAV file, WAV, if you're going after high quality audio files. Okay, so once we've downloaded it, once we've installed the extension, we can head over to, let's say, our Google Translate, okay, or even Google Documents, or any other document app, a document app on a Chrome or on a web browser. Okay, so you could just paste the API key over here. Okay, so just replace the API key and with the exit, yeah, and it restarts. Okay, so first let's try out some English. Yeah. So let's try, this is, the speed is 1 and the pitch is 1, which is default. Okay, I can't remember this is 0 or 1, but I think 1 is the default version. So this is the British accent, so let's try this, which is the normal one.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
Okay, so we can even increase the speed. My recommendation is 1.3 for the maximum speed. Anything above that will sound too robotic and doesn't sound like a human voice. Yeah, because you can even tune it to 3, which is 3 times faster than a normal speaking speed. So tune it back to 1.3, close to 1.3. Pitch 1.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
Okay, sounds quite good, right? We can actually download it as MP3, and later on we can just convert using any converter into a WAV file. Let's play back the downloaded file.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
Okay, so it's actually quite good for a free extension, unless we are developing our own extension or plugin to use the API. Otherwise, this is considered really good because it's free, and you can also leave your comments at the comment section if you've discovered other Chrome extension or other browser extension that can have, that provides a similar function just like this Chrome extension. And of course, if it's free of charge, it's much better, even though it's paid. But I believe some developers will charge it for money, but unless the value is, if it's value for money, then never mind. Okay, so right now let's change to another accent. Let's switch it to an Australian accent, and maybe switch back to 1. Yeah, close to 1.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
You can change the punctuation to make it sound differently.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
So notice there's a slight change in terms of the speaking intonation, the punctuation and the speed. So, okay, let's head over to other accent, the US accent. This is a male voice. Okay, let's play back.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
Likewise, you can also change the intonation, maybe at a faster speed, like 1.2.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
So it's slightly different, right? Okay, so let's switch to a US female voice.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
Alright, so if you have a localized audience such as like maybe the Indians, we can switch it to a different accent.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
Yeah, so localization for your audiobook or your marketing videos. Okay, so let's try a different language right now. Let's switch it to Chinese because that's the language that I understand, yeah, and the language that I speak. Of course, this is, let's switch it to, yeah, the speed between it back close to 1, and let's start. Okay, let's read English first, play back an English.
Hi, welcome to the
sentence.
channel. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about digital marketing tools and techniques. Thanks for the support.
Yeah, so maybe the accent is just being programmed like that by Google because they want to localize the playback of these voices, such as it sounds more, I mean, it's more localized. It really sounds like a native Chinese speaker who's trying to speak English. Yeah, so, but once you play back a Chinese phrase, it will be different.
嗨，欢迎来到这个频道，请务必订阅有关数字营销工具和技术的更多提示和技巧，谢谢为支持。
Alright, so there's also like some deep voices, which sound more, this is a Taiwanese accent, which has more, a male voice, which is more bass, just like me.
嗨，欢迎来到这个频道，请务必订阅有关数字营销工具和技术的更多提示和技巧，谢谢为支持。
Alright, so how do you think about WaveNet's quality? I mean the audio quality. Does it really sound like a human-like voice, or it's still considered as robotic? Let me know at the comment section below, and let's discuss about that. Okay, so yeah, you can switch to other languages too. Based on the list here, there's like Japanese and Korean, and there's other languages as well. There's even Thai. Yeah, I mean all the major languages in the world. Okay, so just you can switch the pitch if you want to, but it will sound weird. Okay, so alright, let's check out the pricing table. Okay, so as you can see here, there's two different versions, which is the standard non-WaveNet voices and the WaveNet voices. So for the WaveNet voices, we will be charged $60 US for every 1 million character. I'm not really sure like how much is that, like how much does 1 million characters convert into, like the number of minutes or hours. So maybe you can just Google on that, and yeah, if you have the answer, don't forget to leave it at the comment section so that it can remind me about how much does 1 million characters actually equate to. And of course there's like $4, which is much cheaper for the standard non-WaveNet voices, but that's the one that we usually hear from Google Translate or other, I mean like non-neural network, all these text-to-speech technology. But WaveNet is by far the most accurate and most human-like voice compared to like Amazon, Poly, and like There's even Microsoft Azure. Yeah, so yeah. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. So if you like the tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends if you know this tutorial is very helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more updated tips and tricks for all these digital marketing tools and techniques. Not just in English, it's also in Mandarin, in Chinese as well. Yeah, so thanks for watching, thanks for your time.